What is going on, guys? Today we are getting into the final installment of getting the Skyline home. If you guys haven't seen the last videos, make sure to check them out. I'll link them in the video for you guys. But it's been super awesome, lots of fun. We're starting out today in San Francisco. Hope you guys like the video. So Jimmy's trying to fuck with Ben. I'm assuming. We don't know if the thing actually got stolen or not, but it looks like a Photoshop. We'll see if Ben comes out fucking screaming that his car got stolen. So we're getting ready to leave San Francisco now. I think we're gonna hit a couple spots for some photography and that kind of shit. But we've got the van set up, so we're trying to see if we can open the back door with somebody inside of it taking videos. Doing a little test run. See what's gonna happen. So we're working on devising a little system of a handle or some shit so that Jimmy can close the door once we're done with the pictures and shit. We're thinking about using tape or string or some shit. We'll figure some shit out, but we'll see if we can even open the door while it's driving. I don't think it worked.
It did?
I don't think so. Nothing.
You put it in neutral or no?
Yeah, it goes in neutral.
So we're gonna have to roll on the freeway with it open, is what you're saying. If you open it and start driving, does it close it?
I mean, you can prevent it from closing. It's just a tiny motor.
Fail there.
That sucks.
Well, I think as soon as he put it in a drive, it closed off.
Oh, it closes on its own.
Yeah.
If you put it in drive right now, it closes?
Yeah, just hold it open.
Yeah, okay.
Watch out, I'm gonna drive.
Yeah, I'll walk with you. Just don't fucking floor it. Yeah. So you just gotta walk behind it on the freeway, get up to speed, jump in. People drive with wood in their fucking minivans all the time, right?
Yeah, that's true.
It's a real problem we're trying to solve for people.
Yeah.
We're trying to make the world a better place right now.
Sea legs gonna feel for it.
Hey, where's that stick that was over here that JT threw? This is your hold it open stick.
Yeah! I ain't touching that hepatitis stick.
You got a better idea, go for it.
Feels a lot more safe.
I like where your head's at, man. I really appreciate you risking your neck for this.
But we also kind of like came up with a thing where we can go like he's gonna go like this, and he's just like
use some gaff tape.
I mean, we could even just hang out. Get some sick shots, dude.
Bro, you gotta put both knees in, lean all the way out.
His feet are just like gaga, gaga, gaga.
Yeah, there you go.
His shoe off.
There you go.
Beats it at the GTR.
80 miles an hour. Just like fucking
Like Tom Cruise.
Being like on the side of an airplane. Ah! Oh, dude,
This one
get
stopped
footage.
somewhere.
Get footage going 75.
Jesus.
That's totally gonna work.
I think it will.
Fuck out of here. We're going to Best Buy get some radios, right?
Yeah. Look at this fucking thing! Oh my god, that's so fucking sick! Man, people are dying to get into there. Bruh. Y'all are killing me with these roads, dude. Oh, I don't want to hit this, I don't want to hit this. So we just stopped at Best Buy and picked up these sweet fucking walkie-talkies so when we're doing rollers we can actually communicate with each other. This is gonna be fucking hilarious, dude. This is ridiculous.
I'm ready to go, ready to come from, got that job.
Alright guys, we are at the base of the Golden Gate Bridge. This is crazy. We got the GTR and the IS out here. We parked the GTR here first. Probably gonna swap out the IS in a little bit, get some good little pictures and videos. Dude, this fucking trip is sick, dude. I'm so stoked about this. trying to get to Oregon tonight, so I don't know how long of a drive it's gonna be, probably another 6 or 7 hours.
Breaking necks and stacking checks, baby.
Irvin, we're coming for a fist bump.
You know, one thing I've never really understood about California is that they always have these signs posted that say speed checked by aircraft. Like, what the fuck are you gonna do? Pull me over in a Cessna? Like, I don't understand. Is there just some dude up in the sky just narking on you like, oh, nope, you're going too fast, Hey, yeah, dispatch, we got 2 bogeys going over the speed limit. Like, I don't understand. Like, what's the logistics of getting pulled over by a plane? Like, it'd be sick if they just like came down and like just skirted over the highway and fucking just like had a little sign that's like, hey, slow the fuck down. They wouldn't. They're pussies. But like, if I was playing Grand Theft Auto and I was a cop, that's what I would do. This entire road trip has been so much fun, like especially coming back up the 101. It's such a fucking nice highway. Like, everything looks so beautiful. You get to see all of the fucking nice landscapes that California has to offer. Instead of taking I-5, which was like pretty much all just desert the entire way, this way is like a lot more curves, a lot more fun to drive, and especially in these cars, it's just fun to mob out together. I'm having a fucking blast. This shit is fucking sick. We're gonna be rolling out of the hotel here pretty soon. Stayed at a casino, which was actually kind of cool. The rooms are super nice, but we had to block in the skyline again because, of course, open parking lot without any sort of security. So we had to fucking box it in again. Security guards came out and he was like, oh, hey, I've driven one of those. It was in Gran Turismo, but they're sweet. So at this point, I think we have about 6 to 7 hours left to get back to Portland. It's gonna be another trek. We did 7 hours yesterday. I think this one should be a little bit shorter, so it should be better. But we'll see. I was dragging ass that last stretch on the way here, but we're pretty much right at the Oregon border on Highway 101. We'll be there soon. I'm stoked. I'm stoked to finally sleep in my bed and not have to drive my car. I swear to God, I have like the floor of my car imprinted in my foot from being in there so long. It's ridiculous. So I figured out that if I pack all my camera gear and everything in the back of my car, it puts all the weight in the back and makes it so that I rub super hard on everything. So I gotta move all of my camera bag and that kind of shit forward just so that I don't fucking rub on every corner. But like, look at how fitted I am. That's so sick, dude. You can see it's kind of been polishing off the rubber right here. It's really only barely touching it, like enough to like rub it smooth a little bit. But yeah, so I've had to shift some of the weight up to the front of the car so that I can balance out the height. But once I got it figured out, this thing has been super fucking nice to drive. Still a little bouncy over the bumps. I think that the blown shocks kind of are lending to that a little bit, but once I get new coilovers that are not blown and hopefully Probably a little bit stiffer because the 12 and 10Ks honestly aren't stiff enough for the ride height that I'm at. I can't, like, I want to be low. I don't want to be slammed, but I want to be low, and at this point I'm too low to be able to daily it without rubbing everywhere. I'm still really kind of sussing out the whole setup. I think that there's a few upgrades that I could be doing to make it handle a little better, but we'll get to those in the future. Right now, I'm just stoked that she's out here. She's making this trip without any problems. Yeah, it's cold as fuck right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and get everything put in here. We'll be leaving soon. Coming home, baby. We're 2 hours and 21 minutes away from home now. Honestly, it's such a fucking blessing. I'm so stoked to be back at home, sleep in my own fucking bed, play some Call of Duty, just some shit. And honestly, I really can't wait to start going through all of this content because this week has been absolutely amazing. It's been such a fun fucking time, and I can't wait to get this all edited so you guys can see.
Up my napkin and my shirt cause I'm just mobbing like that.
Fuck, this is a long drive, dude.
Don't ever talk shit about Arby's.
It just comes out of the other end, right?
I can't do that.
Revs right quick. Yeah. Alright, it's official. We just made our final stop before we get home. I could not be happier. We're all fueled up. I had some Subway. It was delicious. I haven't had Subway in like multiple years, and I didn't even remember how good it was. And I'm honestly kind of impressed. I might have to go to Subway more often now, but it definitely quenched my fucking thirst. Definitely satisfied the itch. You know what I'm saying? But holy fuck, am I tired? It's funny, fucking. There have been so many people walking up and like being like, yo, cool cars and all this kind of shit. And we're like, fucking, at the beginning of the trip, we were all stoked. We're like, yeah, fuck yeah, dude, we just got this shit, fucking bringing it back from California, all this kind of shit. You can see how much the tone has changed now that we're like fucking 10 hours, 12, 13 hours into the fucking trip. Everyone's just like, yeah, it's all right, yeah, we're just getting gas, man. We're just everybody's so fucking tired now. But we're almost home. We're almost fucking home. Hey, is it saggy? Nah. Guys, we officially made it. We're back in Washington now. We're gonna go head over to Ben's house and drop the GTR off. I gotta drop off the Recaro I got back here from the GTR. And we'll get back to the house. Holy shit. What a fucking trip, boys. What a fucking trip. I gotta piss so bad. I gotta fucking piss so bad. First right-hand drive car I've ever driven is an R34 GTR now.
One of 44, not even just a fucking R34 GTR.
The rarest of the rare. That's crazy.
Damn, son, how's that feel?
I'm not mad about it. Shit, Jesus.
Yeah, don't fuck it up.
How's it feel to fucking finally be back?
Dude, yeah. I can't believe we did that, honestly.
Yeah.
Like, I was...
I don't think I'm gonna drive my car for like another week.
Yeah. That was some shit, man. It was good memories, good stories.
No mechanical issues at all.
Good memories, but one of the worst things I've ever done for sure.
Oh, yeah. Hands down.
But she's fucking dialed. I mean, like 1,000 miles.
Yeah,
no
dude,
problems.
Truthfully, like, yeah, so I bought it from Andy Gray, Pro FD. And he checked it out, like fixed a couple of things before he shipped it to me. So basically all the prep work was done by Andy. He owns Power Vehicles also, and fuck, I'm gonna send him an email right now and just be like, dude, that shit was amazing.
Alright guys, we have reached the end of our journey. I hope you guys have enjoyed it as much as I have. It's been a blast making these videos for you guys. If you guys like the content, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Here's one for the broken road. that's the only one, you know. You better run out, truth or dare. Get me out, take me anywhere.